Hi, here is an Orbit repair clamp with a double casing, so it's the repair clamp 2 with 2 locking parts. One locking part this side and the other side. So in the 300mm width there are 8 bolts, and we do these double casing repair clamps up to a 1000mm width, so a metre width, obviously with a lot more bolts the wider the clamp is. This one is a 323.9 by 300mm wide. It's rated to 10 bar, 1000 kPa. It's a great economical repair clamp, full 316 stainless steel with Teflon coated stainless steel bolts. The advantage with these is that you only need to undo 4 bolts and open out, and these ones you don't need to take out, so it kind of acts on a bit of a hinge as well, which is good. Available from Orbit Couplings in Australia. Thank you for watching.